What's up guys, and good news. The Samsung Galaxy Note 21 is about to happen next year. Yes, we were hearing reports and rumors that Note 21 might not exist. Instead, Galaxy Z Fold 3 will be a replacement with S Pen and all that thing. According to recent report from South Korea saying that Samsung won't be launching the Galaxy Note phone next year, discontinuing the legendary Note lineup but keeping its main feature alive. Yes, both the S21 Ultra and Z Fold 3 next year will be having S Pen support. Of course, S21 Ultra will have it as a separate accessory, while the Z Fold 3 will have it inside the phone, making it the perfect replacement to the Note. But the decision is yet to be taken. It seems like before the final decision, Samsung has realized. According to a Twitter lister from South Korea, he claims that Samsung will discontinue the Galaxy Note series, but not next year. Rossing has further tweeted out that his sources also saying the same, so that adds more accuracy to this claim. But according to a great YouTuber Z Take Care, his sources saying that final decision will arrive after Unpacked 2021. The Unpacked event of the Galaxy S21 will happen in mid-January next year, and Samsung will start the development of Galaxy Note lineup after the Unpacked event. So we'll see the Note 21 or not will most likely be decided after the Unpacked 2021. If Samsung indeed be launching the Galaxy Note 21, then it would be a good decision overall, because next year also be the first year of foldables to go mainstream with S Pen and under display cameras, while in 2022 there would also be a rollable smartphone which in Samsung's term called the Galaxy Z Fold S, which would be the proper replacement of Note. Oppo has showcased a rollable smartphone concept, and seriously, rollable phones are more durable than foldables. Firstly, because there is not going to be any crease in rollables, which are very common in foldable smartphones, and second, the display will roll inside the phone, so there won't be an opening, which adds more durability like water resistance and IP rating thing to the table. And if this thing supports S Pen, then even according to Eisner's, rollables would be the perfect replacement of Note. Commercial rollable devices are expected to release no earlier than 2022, meaning next year we have to wait, enjoy and praise the foldables, because foldables are also getting massive upgrades. I've made a separate video of Z Fold 3, how it will be the pinnacle of innovation next year. Be sure to check that video out and subscribe to the channel for the full coverage on the Note 21, S21 and Z Fold 3 and Galaxy Z Flip 3 as well. Make sure to subscribe and I'll see you in the next one.